Tarbut only went to ninth grade. So I had to change schools in for 10 and 11th. And at that time, I wanted to go to the public school because a lot of my friends were going to the public school. And I just wanted to go to the public school. My parents really put their foot down and said, absolutely not. And of course, I caved in. What am I going to do? I was 15. So at first, I didn't like going to the Yiddish, because now I had to move to the Yiddish shul. And there was an eternal rivalry between the Yiddish shul and Tarbut, right? First of all, they were about 3 times as big as we were. We were a school of 400 kids. Yiddish shul was 1,200, so they were really big. And so when we had we used to call it the interscholastic games every year. They used to win most of the stuff because, you know, they had a larger population, so they had more to, so there was always a fight. And we were Zionists, and a lot of the kids from Tarbut actually were members of the Zionist organizations, Hashomer Hatzair and Anor Hatzioni, Yichud, while very few of the Yiddish shul. So you know, they were the snooty, they were the upper class, upper crust, all kinds, you know, there were all kinds of names that we had for them. Some not very nice. So I basically was, you know, cohabiting with the enemy. So for me it was terrible. But actually ended up being a great experience, really a great experience. First of all, I had a fabulous Hebrew teacher, Ala Raviv, which actually she just died, not even a month ago. She was very, very influential teacher. And I learned some Yiddish because I had to. And I met there the woman that is my wife, although we were not going out together, but you know, we met in high school. And some very good friends. So it actually ended up being a fabulous experience.